currently 7:30 a.m. and we're here at Motorsports, or Canadian Tire Motorsports Park driver development track for event number 2 of OTA. We've got around, I think, an hour before we actually start hitting the track, so now it's perfect time to actually get your car ready, which I think I'm almost done already. The few things that we do need to check off right now is I need to go get my car safetied by the scrutineers. There's also a few drivers meeting that we'll need to attend to, and then I think by 9 o'clock we'll be able to get on our first heat. This is a doubleheader event. In fact, it's a doubleheader weekend, meaning that there's 2 events at the same track. Today is going to be the DDT with a double kink, and then tomorrow we're going to be back here at the same place bright and early again for event number 3, which is going to be with only the 1 kink. So it's currently 9:40, 9:50 a.m. and we're going out for our first heats now. The faster cars go, classes from GT1 up, and then GT2 and GT3, and now it's GT4 and below, which is a class that I'm in. So I just finished my second heat of practice in the morning. It's currently 11 a.m. so I think we've got one more practice for an after. And for this session, or for this heat, I did not turn on my GoPro, and obviously that's when all the fun stuff happens. That's when all the good stuff I've missed because I didn't turn on my GoPro. 2 cars spun out in front of me. A Golf just completely misjudged turn 3, went off into the grass, and then a black BRZ in front of me in turn 1 actually completely missed the turn-in point as well and had to take the recovery lane. So I'm getting ready for my 3rd and final practice heat. I just checked my times, and my 1:43.6 did register, and I'm currently sitting in 2nd place, 4 tenths behind that CRX SI that's driven by Mo. Okay, so now it's 1:20 p.m. and we're in the competition stage. I am gridded 7th qualifying, so I'll be in the first heat. There's really nothing to say at this point. It's just trying to get in a good lap as best as possible and hope for the best, really. Alright, so it's the second competition heat. The first one didn't go so well for me. I did a 1:43.7, which dropped me into 3rd place in my class. This is the second of the 3rd, so let's hope I do better this time. finished up second heat, now queuing up for the third and final heat. second heat actually went quite well for me. I did a 1:43.2, which puts me in second place in my class. First place, Mo in the CRX is quite simply just uncatchable. He's doing a 1:42 dead, 1.2 seconds behind him, no chance. The people behind me though are extremely close. In fact, there's a GT4 red FRS and a Integra, the one right in front of me. They're actually both about a tenth or less than a tenth faster than me. It's just that under the pack score, their cars are considered slightly more modified, and therefore how it works out is that I actually edged them just by a very, very tiny bit. If they do any better than their time, which was I believe a 1:43.1 or so, they'd take it if I don't improve, so we'll see if I can. So that's it for event number 2 at Motorsport DDT 2 Kink. Event went well. I managed to stay on the course, didn't have any two wheels off or off-track excursions, which is good. So in our third heat, I didn't manage to better my time. I still stayed at a 1:43.2. But the thing was, people behind me didn't really better their times either, so I did stay as second place within my GT4 class, which I'm very happy about. And turned out that I was actually top novice as well, meaning I was the top performer as the rookie, which garnered this, which I'm very happy about. And in terms of the total performance based on packs, I managed to be 10th within all the entrants today, which I'm also very happy about. So that's it for event number 2. Event number 3 is tomorrow here at the same place. That's going to be a little bit different, where instead of the double kink, it's only going to be a single kink or no kink, or however you say it. And I've never driven that before. I hear it's quite difficult and quite scary actually. So we'll see, because there's a blind crest where you try to stay flat out. We'll find out tomorrow. But anyways, I'm very happy with the event. I've got to go back home and nap, sleep, rest, and be ready for tomorrow.